Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new tab in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in your Salesforce interface, all you need to do is just to go to this pencil icon and from here you can start personalize your tabs from here. And if you want to add a new tab, all you need is just to click on add more item. And from here, you will need just to search for all the items that you would like. And I'm just going to click, for example, to add the task, and I'm going to add it to the nav bar. So from here, uh, I didn't save, so I need just to save. Let's add it again and search for all. Go to tasks, for example, click and save, and I will have it in my navbar here. And if you want to start creating your own tabs, you can start going to setup, and from here you can start creating new object tabs, or just type tabs here in the quick find in the setup menu or the setup page. Click tabs and you can start creating your own tabs. So either tabs for light components or for custom objects. We can click on new, and of course you need to already have a custom object, and then you can start styling your tabs, and then you will need just to proceed of these creation, and after that you will have your own tab. So you can also start modifying the tabs if you would like by going again to our home or the main menu or the main interface, and from there you can go from here, and uh, you can start naming your tabs if you would like. So I can add another one and start giving it another name. Like here, you can give it a name, or also you can start modifying the layout of your objects if you would like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.